Hey guys, welcome to Sab Unique Art. My name is Ricardo, and today we're going to be drawing anime faces. But I'll be drawing adult, teenager, and young. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to do different age variations. And I'm going to be using Yvain from Vaygren. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start with the current age for Yvain. So more like a teenage, a young adult. So map out this first before I start talking about the differences. Alright, so this is a young adult, right? So difference between a young adult and a young person, we're talking about under probably 12 years old. It's the difference between, distance between the nose, the mouth, and the eyes. So like 12 years old, the head usually bigger, eyes are bigger, nose are closer to the eyes, and mouth is also closer to the eyes. Teenager, the eyes are a bit smaller, the nose a bit away from the eyes, and just on the mouth. So the jaw line going to be a bit longer. And an adult is the same thing. Eyes smaller, nose longer, face longer, and that's the difference. But I'm going to show you in practice. So this is a teenager. We're going to draw the same pose. So because I'm going to do the same pose, I'm just going to copy it, I'm going to paste it, and we're going to move it. But this time I'm going to turn down the opacity. It's going to be a kid. Once I detail it, you're gonna see the difference. So, and this time we're gonna make an adult, an older adult. So we have 3 different versions here. So I'm gonna detail them so you have a better understanding. So let me group all of them. Alright, so this is the current age 18 plus for Yvain. So now I'm gonna use the same exact face and create the the young version of it. So check this out. So we're gonna copy and paste, and we're gonna create some magic. So let's push this here. Younger version, eyes are always big, so we're gonna go big eyes. Something about big eyes, I always have a hard time with big eyes. Hard time. Alright, let's copy again. We're gonna copy this guy. Now when you draw face, if you look on your eye line, line up with the ears. If you notice, my ears are lower, so I'm gonna fix that. So the eyes line up to the ears. You see that? The bottom of your ears line up with your bottom of your nose, and your eyebrow, top of your ears. Just so you understand. Alright guys, so there you have it guys. After the struggle, I had 3 different versions. And let's draw hair on all of them and see how they look. Alright guys, so hopefully this helped. Let me go over it real quick. Okay, so our face is longer, eyes smaller, nose longer, and our mouth is lower. Same goes for the kid, eyes bigger, nose small, mouth is close to the nose, and everything is more round and big. And the teenager is in between. I'm gonna pick one and finalize it, and it's gonna be speed drawing. So this was a tutorial, just I wanted to show you the difference, different ages. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see this speed drawing, stick around. Anyhow, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have any questions that I didn't explain correctly, because I was mumbling most of the time and struggling, please leave it in a comment, and then I will try to answer it. Alright guys, see y'all later.